Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm showing the recent changes in Google Drive. Google Drive has changed its sharing settings end of 2025 or beginning of 2026. So in this video I'm discussing what are the changes happened in Google Drive sharing settings. So here I have a test email account which I created, and I have created a test folder, making it like a tree structure, creating some subfolders inside that one. So the changes, there are two types of changes which happened in Google Drive. The first one is the permission which we used to have for the editors. So for example, in the past, if you have someone with editor permission on a particular folder, they were able to add other people and they were able to give the permissions to whoever they added. So for example, this account as a test account, if I am giving the editor permission, if I come back here, shared with me. So what I can do, share, and I can add other people. Even I can remove myself. I cannot remove owner. If there is other people, I can remove them as well. So the changes which happened in this sharing settings, there is something called access settings. So if this option is unchecked, what will happen? The editors will no longer be able to share or change the permission settings of the parent folder. So if I come back here and if I go back to the shared account, and if I'm trying to share this, you can see this unchecked for me. I cannot do any changes on this particular folder because I have editor permissions for what is inside, like any files or folders or anything. But for giving access, I'm not able to do this because only the owner of the account will be able to do this. So that's a very important change happened in the Google Drive. Now the second change, when I share, it's not change actually, this is how it works. It used to work. So once I shared the parent folder, I am giving the permission to all the subfolders, all the files under that particular folder for the same permission. So you can see till this I'm getting the permission of the parent folder. So it's not a change, but it's how it works. But now the problem happens, or now the change which will happen is if I go to the share option and I'm trying to remove access, what will happen? It will remove the access to the till the root folder. So for example, if I'm trying to remove the access to this particular file, it will remove all the way up to test1 folder. So that's how it works, because once I remove the access to a folder or file inside a shared folder, it will remove from top to bottom or bottom to top. And the second option, say for example, if just for showing, I'm just removing the access, and if I go to the save option, you can see here nothing is shared with me because it's already removed. So the best option is to tighten the security by giving the access to only the particular folders or files, because whatever you share, the subfolders or folder files, it will be shared automatically. But if I'm sharing this, only this particular file, then in this case, it will only share that particular file. It will not share any folders inside that one. Now, what is happening? The other change is, if I go to the share settings, and if I go to here, there is something called limit access to test2. So what happens in this case, this particular folder, it will be limited. So only the owner and the people which is added directly to the folder can open it. But those who were having access from the root folder, they will not be able to access. To understand this one, so I'm going to make it limit folder, and I'm going to go to the test root, and I'm going to go to share So what happened, I have a test1 folder is shared, and this one you can see here, you need permission to open this, because this folder is a limited folder. I can see the folder, but to open this I need to request access. If I go here, let's go to the email, if I'm receiving any email, mail.google.com. We go to test2. Sorry, what I can do here, directly I can approve this request. So in this case, what will happen, I am getting access and I can open the test2 folder as well. So that's how you limit access to a particular folder. That's the another change which happened recently. So you can always make a test or folder limited access. In this case, only those who has been added directly to that folder will be able to access the files. And the second changes which we discussed is the, hold on a second, and the second changes which we discussed is the directly added people, only they can access, and you can keep this also to make more secure your folders, so that the editors, they won't be able to share this folder with any third-party people. So I hope this video was clear, and make sure the files or folders which you have shared in the past have the correct settings enabled. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.